Here are 11 key points about alimony in Texas. Number 1. Alimony, spousal maintenance, and spousal support are used interchangeably. They all refer to payments made for the support of one spouse. Number 2. There are standards that must be met in order to receive spousal support. The basis behind spousal support is a spouse's inability to meet their basic needs. Number 3. It is common for payments to be made periodically, usually monthly, rather than as a lump sum. Number 4, the court may issue an income withholding order. This will require the paying spouse's employer to make paycheck deductions and pay directly to a distributing agency. And then that agency will actually give the payment to the spouse who is receiving spousal support. Number 5, maintenance cannot be more than $5,000 a month or more than 20% of the paying spouse's average monthly gross income, whichever is less. Gross income is the amount before deductions. Number 6, if spousal maintenance is ordered due to a spouse's disability, the spouse's care of a disabled child, or any other compelling reason, spousal maintenance can last for as long as that condition is still in existence. Number 7, spousal maintenance will end on the death of either party. Number 8, spousal maintenance will end if the spouse receiving support remarries. Number 9, spousal maintenance will also end if the receiving spouse lives with a third party while in a dating or romantic relationship with that person. Texas created this rule because sometimes people are just like, I'm not going to get married to that person. I'm just going to live off of spousal support the entire time. Number 10, a spouse that is ordered to pay can ask the court to review the spousal support order to potentially modify the amount to a lower amount or to even terminate it. And number 11, for tax purposes, spousal maintenance payments is not considered income for the receiving spouse or a tax deduction for the paying spouse. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you live in Texas and would like a free kit to do your own divorce, please check the description box below to sign up.